So I welcome you to take at least 10 minutes to be present in your body, to be still, to just be, to honor ourselves in this moment. Whether you're sitting or lying down, get comfortable, release your hands, and release anything that has your attention right now. And I welcome you to close your eyes or lower your gaze. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. In through your mouth and out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your nose, in through your mouth, and out through your mouth. And without judgment, just be with yourself in this moment. Be the observer of your body. Do so by taking a brief scan from the top of your head down to the soles of your feet. Simply assessing our bodies. Don't put too much thought into it. We're just scanning our bodies to see if there's any tension that needs to be released. And if you feel any tightness, breathe love into that area and release that tension on your exhale. And when you get to your feet, scan your awareness back up to your body, back to the crown of your head where we started. And we give gratitude for this new energy that is present in our body, this new day, this new year. All of this newness, we receive it, we believe in it, we deserve it, we honor it, for it has been a rough year for some, but today we get to start over new. Every day we get to start over new. And as we sit in this newness, continue to reflect on your feelings of the newness that is running through your veins, through your cells, the fresh air that we're breathing in this moment. Just breathe and bask in the newness. Gently ride the wave of the newness. Don't forget to breathe, family. And give thanks for this day. We give thanks for clarity. We give thanks for the collective that is experiencing this new energy around the world. Our brothers and sisters are celebrating this new energy, and which makes us all one in this energy. I really want you to feel it and tap into this energy, family, because we are present and alive in it. And if you can't feel it, use your imagination to affirm, to welcome this new energy, to connect to this new energy, because it is here. We just have to choose to be a part of the energy. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Deep breath in and let it go. You are love. You are divinity. You are oneness. You are full of life and vitality. You are connected to Source. You are Source. You are energized. You are protected. You are guided by the Most High. You are your ancestors' wildest dreams. What are you affirming today, family? What are you welcoming into your new year? What are you leaving behind? Imagine yourself today, in this new year, in the abundance, receiving and giving. Welcoming order, balance, harmony, compassion, reciprocity, truth, and righteousness into our lives. We welcome it. See yourself accepting and honoring the 7 attributes of Ma'at into your life this year. These principles our ancestors lived by. And we give thanks and we honor these attributes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale it out. Give thanks. Give thanks. And when you're ready, look at your toes and look at your fingers. And bring yourself back into the present moment. If not, you can just sit with the feels.